guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Turquoise, and today we here to do some lashes. I think one of my new subscribers asked me to do a tutorial, or well, a step-by-step on how I do my lashes. They may not be perfect, but this is how I do mine. You want to make sure you get you some lashes and some lash glue. I use weave glue sometimes if I don't have lash glue, so you know, if y'all want to be politically correct about everything, y'all can go and get y'all some lash glue. But I just want to show you guys these lashes. I like them because they got the little sparkle. I was hoping you guys can see me explain a little bit better with the little sparkle tassels on there. But anyway, normally I would cut my lashes, but like I said, I was just showing y'all how I did it and how I got it doing, girl. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please also remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below. And become a part of this channel, because best friend, what's up? Bye. Okay, guys. So I went to my local beauty supply store and I bought these lashes. They have the little glitter tassels on it. I thought it'd be easier for me to show you guys how I do my lashes. I am not an expert. I'm just showing you guys how I do it. Now you want to get you some lash glue. I just use weave glue. And with the lash glue, it comes with a little wand that you can just, you know, go over the band with. But, you know, for this video, I'm showing you how I use the weave glue, which, you know, this is the only thing that I have because I don't have lash glue. So what you want to do is get you something to pour the glue in, so that, you know, you can dip the band into the glue, because you don't want to use that tip right there. It'll get all over the lashes. So yeah, you want to be careful. And also, when doing this, please make sure you don't get the glue all over the lashes. You just want to dip the band. You see what I'm saying? Just the band. And then you want to, you know, kind of blow it a little bit, and then you want to apply just to the lash line. Right where you see that black line, that's where you want to apply it. I was trying to show you guys right there. That's where you want to put it. And then you want to place it and hold it for a second until it sticks. Now sometimes you might have to do this a few times to get it to stick. Just be patient. It will stick eventually, you know. I understand this could be frustrating if this is like your first time doing it, but you know, practice makes perfect. So you just want to make sure you put it at the lash line, not above the lash line, just at the lash line. Now some people, you know, that have been doing this and are comfortable with placing the lashes up under their lash line. Me, unfortunately, I have not tried that yet, so this is why I'm showing you guys this way. This is how I do my lashes. You know, there's probably other women out here with better tutorials, but this is my way. One of my subscribers asked me to do that. Shout out to you, Cammy's Life. You guys go check her out. Give her hit the subscribe button, become a subscriber to her channel. And also make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to mine. I love to have you guys here. I love chatting and seeing you guys' comments. Here I am applying the second lash to the lash line, right at the lash line. You don't want to go above it, because it will pull your makeup off if it's you know, you don't want to get glue stuck all over your eyelid, especially after you just applied that gorgeous eyeshadow. And there you have it. Voila! Magic! You guys see that? I think these lashes are pretty, but they're cheap as hell. So just be aware of that. But the lashes are very pretty. And that's it. I hope you guys like this little tutorial. And bye-bye. Okay, guys. I hope you guys like this video. This was just me doing the eyelash tutorial. Well, the way I put on my eyelashes. No, I'm not saying I'm an expert or this is how you should do it. But, you know, I believe you should use lash glue and not this. But Maybe I took a chance and used that because that's just how I've been doing it. So you guys can do it if that's how y'all want to do it. I don't know. But I hope you guys like these. You know, I don't like them because they're cheap, but I was just got them for this video. But yes, I hope you guys like it. And I hope I was able to explain to you guys and show you guys how to put them on the correct way. Well, my way. Okay. And yeah. Also make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below. Cause best friend, what you doing? I'm here. I'm dropping bangers back to back. What's up? I'm just playing. But yeah, see you guys later. Bye.